We're gonna sink them down into probably up to the waist. And then the fire department's going to demonstrate, use the equipment, what it would be like for the audience to see somebody get rescued. Put the cofferdam together, auger out the corn from around the person, and then get them out of the cofferdam. The idea is so that they can experience it, at least they can see what the operation's like. Obviously the person who's going to be in the corn can tell them what it feels like to be buried up to that far. Even at that depth, up to your waist, you can feel a difference with the corn crushing you when you're in there. So if you're in there for a long time, you're gonna get crushed.
Agriculture is our life's blood, and we want this to be a powerful example of the collaboration between business, education, and public safety organizations.
The stress it puts on your body from the corn weight crushing in on you is tremendous.